Hello my dear students. In the advent of European to India, in the first part and second part already we are studied about the English, Portuguese and Dutch. Now we are going to study about the French who came to India for the purpose of trade. They established their French East India Company in 1664, which was owned and governed and controlled by government of France directly. It was the government company which was established in India for the purpose of trade. The trade centers were established at Surat, Chandranagar, Machilipatnam, Mahe, Calicut, Kasim Bazar, Balsore and other places. But in 1674, the French took a village from Muslim officer, local officer at Valikondapuram and set up and established a trade center, and which is today this trade center, this Valikondapuram village known as the Puducherry or Pondicherry, which remains a capital city of French in India. This is the very important. In the point of view, the French, the capital city was in India, that is the Pondicherry. But in 1746, Dupleix came to India as a governor. He was ambitious and he decided to establish political authority over India, and he begins to interfere in the local politics of the Indians. Because of this, 3 Carnatic War took place. English, they also wanted to establish their control over the Indian trade, and French also wanted to establish control over the trade in India. In this competition, the 3 Carnatic War took place. Why these 3 Carnatic War took place and where it is, these provinces, we are going to see in map in detail. See this one. He is the governor of French, Dupleix, who was the very ambitious, who wanted to control over the trade in India and wanted to establish the political supremacy over the India. Because of this ambition, the 3 Carnatic Wars took place, and this is the Carnatic in the South Indian map. We are going to see where it is the provinces. This is the light green area which is you are looking in the map. See, I am highlighting here. This was the Carnatic provinces. In these Carnatic provinces, there was a political conflict, internal political conflict in between the Chanda Sahib and Anuruddin. At the same time, here we are going to see this one Mysore provinces, and above this Nizam of Hyderabad. This is Hyderabad provinces. In this area also there was a conflict, internal conflict in between the Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung. Because of this, French and English, both of them wanted to interfere in the local politics, and this resulted in 3 Carnatic Wars. See, which are these? The competition between the British and French. It means the three Carnatic wars. Already I told about this. This is the notes I gave in front of you for your sake. See, Chanda Sahib and Anwaruddin in provinces of which this is the Carnatic, and in Hyderabad Nasir Jung and Muzaffar Jung, they fighting each others for the purpose of Nawab, crown of Nawab. And these situations was very favorable to the English and French to interfere in the Indian politics. In the Carnatic wars, the main persons, Nasir Jung, Muzaffar Jung, pictures you are looking in front of this Anwaruddin, and the Carnatic wars took place because of these persons. There was the competition between the British and French, and this to take the advantage of the conflict in the provinces Carnatic and Hyderabad, and resulted in three Carnatic wars. Already I explained about this. See, this one, first Carnatic war. First Carnatic war I am going to explain you. This was took place in 1746 to 1748. The main points or main summary, what is the first Carnatic war, we are going to see. I am presenting in front of you. You can see the picture. You can imagine how the first Carnatic war took place this by seeing this one picture. See, the French general Labourdin captured Madras from British, and he got it. First point. And the British asked to the Anwaruddin for the help to them in this war. Anwaruddin helped to English, British, but he also surrendered to the French, and because of this Anwaruddin murdered in this war. Labourdin sold this Madras provinces again to the British, to the English, because of the treaty which was took place in 1748. Dupleix again wanted to capture the Madras, but he failed and entered into the treaty which was known as the Aix-la-Chapelle Agreement or treaty. In this way, this first Carnatic war came into existence. Now we are going to see the second Carnatic war. It was took place in 1749 to 1754. You are looking in front of you the picture which is the second Carnatic wars showing you. You can imagine how it was took place. In this main points in this second Carnatic war, we are going to see Salabat Jung, the Hyderabad province's Nawab, appointed as the Nawab, and for the protection of Salabat Singh, the French appointed the Captain Bussy to protect him. With the support of the French, Chanda Sahib also became the Nawab in the Carnatic provinces. Already you know that in the first Carnatic war. And the Robert Clive, who captured the Arcot, the capital city of the Carnatic provinces, and defeated the Chanda Sahib and murdered him. And Anwaruddin's son Muhammad Ali became the Nawab of Arcot, Nawab of Carnatic.